Okay, YouTube, so as you know, I've got an Ender 3 printer, and here's the next project I've got planned to print, which is a cylinder head for a Toyota 22E. As you can see, I've got the drawing on the laptop, and these are the settings that I typically use for PLA. So we'll generate a file. And as you can see, for this project, it's going to take 16 hours and 56 minutes, basically 17 hours to print. Nope. So we've got a finished cylinder head.